Okay, so social media is a growing platform which includes the social networking sites like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn. All these are the social media, and in the last few years or in the last decade, we have seen a number of people, a huge crowd gathering in social networking sites.
Yeah,
Yes, and
the power of social networks can be something extremely important to us. The internet, along with social networking website, has given people to invent their own creativity.
Yes,
exactly, it could be used to create information or exchange information, and with the feedback system.
and in the last decade the world has progressed so much, and one reason for this is the means one reason is the social networking sites also, because it has connected the world together. Because in the same field, a person who is living in India and who is living in US or UK or anywhere other, in any place of the world, they can come together, they can interact with each other, and they can share knowledge. So their knowledge of the field
Yes,
is has
yes, you're
increased.
saying like globalization.
Yeah, it has contributed a
Yeah,
lot in globalization.
yes. Also, in a smaller way, also communication between the family and friends who are staying across the world have increased because of social media's free messaging app feature. Now the people are able to find their childhood friends to connect with them, or their relatives who are far away from them. People can communicate easily by social medias.
And also the social media has helped people to work from home, and student to
Yes, social media
get
undoubtedly.
connected to their teacher, and this helps the independently. Yes.
See, undoubtedly, the social media is a boon for the human civilization because it has brought the world together at one place where individuals can share views, opinions. Such healthy interaction are proven to be beneficial for people of all those who are interacting among themselves. And it also help in co-development and in enhance of social skills, right?
Yeah, beside the point of communication, there is a lot of things we should mention. The process of social media is like business. It is a huge opportunity for the new business, like basically in the startups where they have to spend a lot of money on investing to their product. But
Yes,
right
social
now,
media has.
by the help of social media, they can promote their product with no cost at all. And now they can also understand their customer very well and reach out to as many people as they can.
Yes, exactly. And social media has become an important part of the economy.
Yes, in that way, economy is also getting help by social media.
Not only that, even government is in using social media platforms to interact with the citizen.
Yes, and they can also aware the citizens by any by any social media forms. Like they can aware citizen that to any eventual current scenarios about the curfew and anything. The news can also spread very fast by the power of social media right now.
Yes, and one more thing is that the social media has also helped in the selection of the government in election. In the
Yes.
previous elections, we have seen that most of the
Yes,
political party are using social media for promoting their views.
yes. As I said nowadays, as I said, business is can we can promote our business in social media. So nowadays, election and politician is uh,
Doing their
becoming like
businesses.
a business.
Yes,
So politician can promote their party by the power of by the uses of social media.
and
Yeah.
social media has
Yes,
also.
and yes, and it can also help some people to cure their depression. The people who are feeling lonely, they can communicate with their social friends, virtual friends.
Yes, one more important point of social media is that, as Disam said, for business, see, social promoting business in social media is very cheap, right? and thus the new business and the new business idea forms, they are finding social media as a very attractive place to promote themselves. Okay, so this is
Yeah, people.
creating a cheap and a healthy environment for business, and it is also somewhere boosting the economy, that is the global economy.
Yeah, some people are right now having a whole lot of new ideas which would have sound crazy initially, but later it turned out to be a huge brand. Now people started making living out of social media, and many of them had become millionaires by the power of social media only by use of social media, like digital marketing, running through ads. They are earning their living by social media right now.
And social media also provides an employment opportunity for those who wants to work in the field of content creation, right? We have seen.
Yes, people can individually become a content creator. They right now people don't need any big brand level to work under them. They can
Yes,
individually create anything and can become overnight, can become famous overnight.
that can catch the public's interest eyes, right?
Yes.
So one more great
So many people getting famous by just one video or one photo.
yes, so they are transforming the social media is helping them to transform their lifestyle, right?
Yes, obviously.
There is one big disadvantage of social media is that the fake news, the promotion of fake news, right? It has
Yes.
Yes,
become a global threat because sometimes,
yes, and it has become a tool for political parties, and they just use it. Seen so many times that fake news spread, and people just they react without investigating the matter.
yes, and not only the political parties, even terrorist organizations are also using social media sites to.
See, basically, if you have money and the power, you can easily misguide people in social media nowadays. Like that basically happened when USA election happened when Donald Trump elected to the president. He gave a millions. He made a deal with Facebook with $1 million, and he created a fake advertisements through Facebook, and uh, basically initially it says that Facebook helped Republicans to win the election.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, and the Russians have created thousands of fake accounts, and they promote Trump, and
yeah,
that just
and
Yes,
it influences the American minds.
this was the report by the Mueller in USA about
yes,
the
and
Trump's
that was
elections.
exactly happened right now in India. Our ruling party have a huge amount of IT cells which have created fake accounts in Twitters, and they are supporting blindly our our ruler party, and they can't and you can't have a conversation with them without getting abused or bullied.
Yes,
Yes,
and
presently there are more than 3 billion social media users, right? And
yes,
they are means if fake news or something hatred is spread in social media, it can cause a lot of discomfort to a nation or society or the whole globe, right?
Yes, because see, so when social media came in our generation, the older people are not educated that what is social media. So you can easily manipulate old age people by just have giving fake news to them. They will blindly believe it. A huge problem is created when that WhatsApp forwards are going to happening. They are just fake
exactly.
news which are blindly forwarded to many stupid people
Yes, and
which don't know the truth.
especially in the rural part of India, they just believe everything which has
Yes,
been shown in WhatsApp.
everyone can afford a smartphone and a social media and a network basically.
Yes,
So
and
it is very easy to manipulate any people.
yes, and they are basically at the starting they are very inexperienced. They don't know how to handle
Yeah,
properly social
exactly.
media.
They are uneducated by the thing of social media. They don't know what it is.
No,
So it is very easy to manipulate them.
Yes.
it's not it's not about education exactly. It's more about
No,
having a
no.
experience.
It's not about, no, you are getting my point wrong. It's not about the education in general. It's about the education of social medias,
Yes, yes.
Yes. And
because they come from a different generation.
one more disadvantage of social media is the threat of hackers, right?
Yes, that's a very good point.
Yes, the hackers can draw the privacy, can get look into your privacy. They can through your
Yeah,
social
hacking
media
into the
accounts.
personal, yeah, hacking into the personal information creates a real problem nowadays.
Yes,
They created fake IDs to get bank details from civilian peoples. So in that way,
exactly.
you can suffer a lot of money and lot of personal losses.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, and also we are about to discuss the main and the biggest threat, that is cyber bullying and harassment,
yes,
Yes,
which
that's
which
cyberbullying with the
which normally
growing,
everyone face in social media. Everyone.
yes, growing number of people with the growing social media. The cases of cyberbullying has increased many folds in the last few years,
yes, and it's a very serious issue
and
because many people
mostly children and teenagers are the main prey victim of this cyberbullying.
no, and the women's also.
Yes,
Yes, of
and
course.
somewhere this cyberbullying can create depression among the those who,
Stress and anxiety.
yes, stress, depression, anxiety among the
Yes, and they
victim.
can go into a depression for so many years for that.
Yes,
It's very
exactly.
bad for health, someone else.
Yes,
Yes, and there is a continuous flow of hate for a particular religion or ethnicity or language or even the gender. People nowadays people can fight for everything in social media. They have no topic they can fight. Like where previously we have seen that people fight or harass each other on the title TikTok versus YouTube. That just
See, the
don't make
thing
sense.
is, as I said earlier, cheap data, cheap internet package, cheap smartphones, and everyone can afford a smartphone.
Yes.
So India basically, right, we have unlimited amount of time and unlimited amount of data. So we can fight in a basic thing also. We can fight in any topic at all.
Well, not only in India but globally this happened.
Yeah, it's totally happened, but see, the amount of unemployment here, India has never, in the whole world, the huge amount of in unemployment is here, basically.
so basically we can see that social media, with the more use of social media, and if we use it in proper manner, we can do a lot good. We can provide a good to society. It is beneficial for the whole world. But if it is used in a bad manner, in a wrong fashion, it can also create lots of problems, right?
See, there are some problems also, like we haven't decided, like health issues.
Yes,
Nowadays, people are involved in so much in the virtual world of social media that they forget about the real world. The
yes.
valuable personal of the face to face, they can't talk to a person in face to face, but talk they are talking with a social media friend for hours. So people are slowly forgetting about the real world where they belong.
Yes, and
So
they have a serious health issue because they, for the social media, they compromise their sleep and also their physical activities, which play a big role in their.
Yes, people spend hours on social media, which has a negative
and
impact
it
on their
also
health.
and it is also increasing the screen time they are using, right? So basically
Yes,
medical health, their mental health is deteriorating.
Yes,
So these are the few aspects what social media.
and also it has a like main thing, that is social insecurity, which can cause in so many people. social
Yes,
media
that's
by
a psychological thing. Yes, that's
psychological
a very
thing.
good point. So see, every man-made invention have their own positive and negative impacts.
Yes,
If we
Yes.
use social media in a proper way, it can be a boon. If not, it can be a curse. It all depends upon how we use it and how much information we share on it.
yes, because social media is neither good or bad. It's just a tool, and it's depend on the people who are using it, or the people
Yes.
are good or bad.
Yes. And
If
thus we have discussed
yes,
about what's good in social media and what are the disadvantages of social media and how social media is being proved as a threat to the society. Okay.
yes,
We have talked about the fake news and hatred which is being spread by the ill elements of the society. So I would like to say one more thing, that government and the organization and the social media platform itself is working a lot to tackle this fake news and this spread of hatred. Right?
See,
yes,
personally, in my opinion, if you are having a business and you are using social media for your business or for your own good, like you are promoting your business or you are showing your creativity in social media, you are making a money from it, then it's good. You have to use it. But if you're just scrolling through Instagram or Facebook for hours and hours, not doing your real problems and your real serious issues, then you should stop social media and you should quit
Yes.
social media.
So here comes the point
Like
that
personal, yeah.
we should spread. There should be spread of awareness among the mostly teenagers and children, so that they do not indulge in the use of social media for long hours when they are not, they could have done some productive work in that time, right? So,
hmm.
Hello.
yes, so I was saying that there should be a spread of awareness among teenagers and children.
Yes, and if they face any type of problems, and then they can communicate and share their problem with their elder one.
Elder ones, right? So if the moral of the discussion is that social media is definitely a boon for the society, but there are some disadvantages also. And if we, as a whole society, come together and use it in a good manner, then surely this will prove as beneficial for society and also for human civilization, right?
Yes.